Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 5-day nervous system reset series. In this video, we're going to be going over the vagus nerve and an exercise that will help you positively stimulate the vagus nerve. So the vagus nerve is an important part of your nervous system. It sends signals to your brain, to the different muscles in your body and organs. It is often responsible for helping you stimulate the part of the nervous system that allows you to relax. The vagus nerve is a long nerve. I'm gonna show a picture in the video right here, and it goes from your brain all the way down to your abdomen. Engaging in activities such as singing, humming, chanting, different stretches, we're gonna go over one today, will help activate and stimulate your vagus nerve. So the vagus nerve regulates the body's stress response by sending neurotransmitters to help calm the body down. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going over an exercise that can be found in a very amazing book that I love. This book is called Accessing the Healing Power of the Vagus Nerve. And the exercise that we are going to be going over is called the basic exercise. To begin, what we're going to be doing is you're actually going to be lying down on the ground. So I'm going to remove this block here. And what I want you to do is I want you to turn your head over to the right, turn it over to the left, and just bring awareness to if you have any stiffness in your neck, bring awareness to how you feel right now. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking our eyes and looking in a specific direction. So we're going to be looking over to the corner and we're going to be holding that position. Now, to begin, you could get in a comfortable position. We're going to interlace both of our hands. Place them behind your head and slowly come on down to the mat. Good. Just make sure you're in a nice, comfortable, relaxed position. Now look up, straight up, and look directly over to the right. So your head is straight, but now you're going to take your eyes and look over to the right corner. I have a visual on the screen right now, and you're going to hold it here for 30 seconds, connecting with your breath. You may yawn, sigh, or gulp. And what that is it's letting you know that your autonomic nervous system is having a relaxation response to this activity. Since your eyes are linked to your cranial nerves. And if you don't yawn, that's okay. I actually yawned when I was creating this video. Good. Now come back to center. Just relax here for a brief moment and look over to the left. A visual is on your screen right now to give you an idea. Be at ease here. Bring awareness to how you feel. Connecting with your breath, breathing in and out through the nose, as this also helps stimulate the vagus nerve. Now come back to center. Take your hands out from under your head, come over to the side, and slowly come on up. So how is that? How do you feel right now? Doing these eye movements will help increase blood flow to the brainstem, also stimulating a positive response to your vagus nerve. Now, in tomorrow's day, we are going to be focusing on combining the breath and other different movements that we are going to be going over with the vagus nerve in a yoga routine. So slowly, we're stacking everything up, keeping these videos nice and short so that you are able to take the time to practice, and doing this little by little is the key. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you tomorrow on the mat. Bye.